Hello friends, today the way the market actually was going up and down, rather it is volatile, for the last about 3 days time. So I just thought let me check, that what is in store for the market in next 2-3 days. And friend, here, my own observations, which I am sharing with you, that is regarding the Nifty. Friends, if you really see as far as the Nifty is concerned, this is Nifty, you can see the Nifty is an uptrend. There is no two opinion about it, but at the same time, if you really see for the last 3 days, though it is opening, with a gap up, but there is no steam, left, because it is just trading in a very, very small range. Today also it just traded, after a gap up, it traded in the range of just about 17 points. Although it has it had a gap up opening. And today, even as far as the volume is concerned, volume also was actually up. And the only point here is that it has gone into the now this overbought zone, because the indicator RSI is telling that it is crossed 70. And unfortunately, even the MACD also is not very promising, because both the signal line as well as the blue MACD line, MACD line, they have actually converged together. So if you really ask me, I think this is a difficult situation where it will go. And supposing, if the news is tomorrow good, in that case, it can go to roughly about, say, it has a chance to go by another about 500 points, which seems very difficult right now, because it has already gone into the overbought zone. People are finding the Nifty to be overpriced at this moment. And friends, let us check, even with the Bank Nifty, what is the state of affairs with the Bank Nifty. And Bank Nifty also, you see this Bank Nifty also is in the uptrend. I will just join these to find the uptrend. Fine. And again, this it opened in the gap up, and then in a very small range, it was trading. It did not have, enough steam left or the breath left. या इसमें सांस नहीं था कि और ऊपर चला जाए. Although you find here the volume actually was almost the same. This was also up, but the moving average, but the MACD here, moving average convergence and divergence, is not really supporting it. So my own assumption here is that, and friends, one thing more, here today, this Bank Nifty had gone up. For one reason is that government, had said that the small banks, 6 small banks, they will be privatized. So these banks actually have pushed up, given a gap up opening, because if we see, this HDFC Bank, yesterday it gave a negative close, today it went up and it came down. Now my assumption is that supposing if the news, there is a little bad news, it can really pull the banking stocks down, even the HDFC Bank down, it can pull down. And in all probabilities, what will happen here is that, this is my assumption, is that this will fall below, say, 191095 as say roughly around 905, 1097. So it is a very tricky situation. Therefore, friends, I say that everybody must trade with a stop loss only, because now there is a difficult situation coming, and therefore trade with a loss, and here stop loss. And here also, friends, the RSI, it has flattened out. MACD signal is not very promising here. You can see the hexagram green is very, very small, so it is not showing any kind of strength here. Okay, and so the Bank Nifty is poor. HDFC Bank is also poor, so you can expect, that tomorrow there could be a subdued performance of Bank Nifty and Nifty. At least the end, I do not think will be very good. And then, friends, let us see, this Reliance Industries. Reliance Industries is in a perpetual uptrend, and today also it opened with a gap up opening, and it quite sustained there. I must say that the volume actually has gone up. And even see the results of Reliance Industries, they are on Friday. And in anticipation of good results, actually this is going up tomorrow. Maybe it will cross, it will go 2000. But still I will say, because the Saturday, Sunday will be a holiday, and the moment the results of Reliance are declared, market under all the circumstances will fall. There is no opinion about it. Here it has, oversold zone, it has already checked in. Also the signal line and blue MACD line, blue MACD line and red signal line, they are actually together. So both are in the hopeless condition. Only thing is that the results are there and it is going up and up. So friends, my only request to you is that please go on putting up the trailing stop loss when you trade in any stock, whatever you have tomorrow. Otherwise it will be a very, very risky game. So this is actually my short observation regarding tomorrow's opening and tomorrow closing. Now the condition is such that any bad news, actually the market will fall. So be very careful. Just put stop losses to all your shares. That is my suggestion to you is, and rest all of you know actually how to trade. I don't have to add into that. So now friends, if you like the video, please press the subscribe button. Please press the notification button, and friends, at the same time you can join me also on Instagram and Facebook. Details actually I have given in the description. Now one thing that is left is that I request you to please tell me what exactly is needed so that I may be able to upload the relevant videos. So friends, thank you very much, and have a nice day. Enjoy the bull run and let's be together. Thank you.